Quarterly earnings results continue to roll in this afternoon, and Jared Blikre is standing by with the latest from AMD. And Jared, the stock is up in late trading. How'd they do?
That's right. Another winner here. We got a 5% movement in AMD, and it was a beat on most of the key metrics here. So adjusted EPS for the quarter coming in at 92 cents. Estimate was for quite a bit lower, 75 cents. Revenue coming in at 4.83 billion. That's up 49% year over year, and that beats the estimate of 4.5 billion. It breaks down in a couple segments here. Computer and graphics revenue, 2.58 billion. That's a small beat. And then enterprise, embedded, and semi-custom revenue. That's up 2.24 billion, a small beat as well. Up 17% quarter over quarter. Adjusted gross margin, another key stat coming in a little bit higher than expected, 50% versus the estimate of 49.5%. One of the few metrics I'm seeing that missed. Capital expenditures a little bit heavier, 86 million, but not by much. Estimate with 78.2 million. Adjusted operating margin, now that is beating the street estimate. It's coming in at 27%. Estimate was for 300 basis points lower. And then free cash flow, 736 million. The estimate was for a little bit higher, 932.9 billion. And then as far as their outlook, they see first quarter 4.9.1 billion, and that is much higher than the estimate of 4.33 billion, probably adding to some of the optimism there. And also Xilinx, that is that is a company that they are slated to acquire, and they're saying that they're going to close that in the first quarter of 2022. Xilinx, by the way, is up 5% as well. And then finally, I have a statement from the CEO, Dr. Lisa Su, saying 2021 was an outstanding year for AMD with record annual revenue and profitability. Each of our businesses performed extremely well, with data center revenue doubling year over year, driven by growing adoption of the AMD EPYC processors across cloud and enterprise customers. We expect another year of significant growth in 2022 as we ramp up our current portfolio and launch our next generation PC, gaming, and data center products. So again, beating on most of the headline numbers, also a very favorable outlook. AMD up 5%, 6% now in after hours trading.